Welcome to another review. Today we are unboxing the Bose Quiet and Comfort earbuds. These feature superior noise cancelling, transparency mode, immersive sound at any volume, secure and comfortable fit, sweat and weather resistant, up to 6 hours of battery life and up to 12 more hours with key certified wireless charging case. So the box in which it's stored can be charged by USB-C as well as by wireless charger. So let's get to it. It's a box covered with a paper which has a picture of the product, and the box itself, it's dark gray and looks a bit like a shoe box. So let's open it. All you see is a gray dark box which you can open in half, open up, and then all you see is the box, and over here the cover has some foam also on top of it, so it's well packaged. But this thing is plastic instead of paper, so, and as you can see, the case for the earphones is quite large but not too big. Some people say it's so large that you cannot fit it in a pocket, but this is small enough to fit in a pocket or a jacket or a hoodie with pockets, and it's not as huge as you might think it is, like they say on some reviews. The plastic looks quite plain, is matte color, and on the back you can see is the USB-C port, and the front has charge indicator lights, 5 of them, and to open it you probably have to press on this button to open the case. We'll get to that later. First we check what else is in the box. Underneath the plastic placeholder there is probably the user guide, which is the quick startup guide, which shows to download the Bose music app on the App Store or Google Play Store and choose the correct fitting for your earbuds, and also the controls on the earbuds allows you to touch the surface to start and stop the music on the right side, I believe, and on the left side you can tap to change the noise cancelling strength. So let's see what else is in the box. As we can see down here, you have the USB-C cable and the different size ear tips which you can attach to the earbuds. So I believe they have a large one, a small one, and a medium sized one, which is currently installed probably. And here are safety instructions in multiple languages in case you want to read them. So that's what was all what's in the box, which is a nice box. You might want to keep it. And these are the earbuds. So let's click on this to, oh, it's quite soft to click it open. And then here you can see the buds. I believe they are fully charged, and there's lights on each side of the buds, and now they're blinking in a blue color, which probably means that you can connect it with the Bluetooth. So let's try if it works with the Android Bluetooth. So I just turn on Bluetooth on Android, and we see in the settings there's the Bose QC earbuds. Let's tap on that, and it says that it's pairing, and then pair with Bose QC earbuds and tap OK. Allow access to contacts, allow, and it says it's 80% battery remaining. So now it seems they're connected and they are flashing white instead of blue. So let's try them on. Magnetically placed, so I feel the magnets holding and pulling the earbuds into the case when I lift it up. These are the right ones, and I can hear like a sound which says that they are connected now, like when you go to the cinema and they are telling you you are listening to Dolby surround sound. Wow, the noise cancelling is really good. I cannot hear anything from outside on the road. Let's try to play a podcast. So now we'll play a podcast. Wow, I must say the sound quality is fantastic, and I really don't hear any noise from outside on the street, and they fit really comfortable. As you can see, these are the medium-sized ear tips, I believe, and I really don't hear anything on the street at the moment. Maybe that's because it's on a side road, but normally I would still hear the sound of the wind or the cars passing by, but I really don't hear anything. So that's fantastic. I will continue testing these earbuds and may do a long-term review in the coming weeks. So in case you want to watch the long-term review, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.